Hello everyone, I am Zijo and I am an engineer with over 6 years of teaching experience in electronics, biomedical engineering, and also engineering fundamentals. On this channel, we are going to explore analog electronics from basics to practical and real-world applications. Many people focus on digital electronics, but let me tell you, analog electronics is the foundation of all modern electronic systems. If you want to truly understand how circuit works, this is the place to start. If you are a student, technician, or engineer who wants to build strong fundamentals, make sure you subscribe and let's learn together. First of all, this course consists of 9 modules. In module 1, I will first explain all the contents of the module so that you understand what we are going to learn. After that, we will go through each topic step by step. For the next modules, we will follow the same approach. I will explain the module contents first, and then we will study each topic in detail. This way, you will always know what you are learning and why you are learning it. I hope you will enjoy learning process. And by the end of this course, you will have a strong foundation in analog electronics. So, we are starting with module 1, analog electronics. I have written here definitions. On definition, first, we are going to explain what is electronics. From there, we are also going to explain what is analog electronics. On next, we are going to deal with signals, in which we are going to go deep into what is an analog signal, what is a digital signal, and we are going to compare analog signal versus digital signal. We are also going to learn basic electrical quantities. These basic electrical quantities, we are going to talk about electric charge, which have got its unit in coulombs, electrical current, the unit which is ampere, voltage or potential difference, which is measured in volts, resistance, which is also, they've got an SI unit of ohms, electrical power, which have got an SI unit of watts, and electrical energy, which have got unit joules. From there, we are also going to start introduction to electronic components. The components like resistors, capacitors, inductors, etc., etc. Then we also go deep into linear versus non-linear circuits. How does a linear circuit behave? How does a non-linear circuit behave? And what is the difference between these? Also, we are going to deal with ideal versus practical components. And lastly, in this module, we are going to look into application in engineering and instrumentation. For this, I thank you.